Before you get married, ask yourself and them, do they truly want to be a husband? Do they even know what being a husband means? And same goes for a wife. Marriage isn't just love, vibes, or matching outfits. It's commitment and days when you don't even feel like it. It's choosing each other when life is messy, boring or hard. It's sacrifice, protection, partnership, and showing up even when it's not convenient. Too many people want the title without the responsibility. They want the wedding, not the work, the honeymoon, not the healing, the spouse, not the service. So don't rush. Don't get caught in potential. Don't ignore red flags because you are afraid to start over. So ask the deep questions. Watch how they handle pressure. See if they understand what it takes to build, not just receive. Because love alone is not enough. You need maturity, intentionality, and a shared understanding of what this journey really requires. So marry someone who is ready to be a teammate, not just a trophy.